Plants are the living organisms that make their own food with the help of sunlight. All the living organisms depend upon plants, either directly or indirectly, for their food. During photosynthesis, plants also produce oxygen gas and release it into the atmosphere. Animals use oxygen for breathing. Plants also provide wood, medicines, and other useful materials. It has been estimated that there are nearly about 250,000 types of plants. For better study, they have been divided into groups. Mainly these are divided into two groups: flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Let us study the classification of plants according to their size and the nature of their stem.